Hey guys, welcome back to The Buzz. I'm Tiara Bree, and today I'm sitting with Kellen Bryant of Berg Bryant Elder Law Group. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. So tell me a little bit about your firm.
Our firm is an elder law practice, full service elder law practice. So what our main aim is to empower and help caregivers who are having issues with elderly parents or their loved ones who they're taking care of, there's always legal issues, and how to narrow and help your family member, and that's what we assist with.
That's awesome. And so if somebody was trying to decide if they should, put their parents in a retirement center or a facility, something like that, or,
Yeah, that's
find a
exactly what
caregiver.
we help with. And if, these places are very expensive for the skilled nursing. It can go up to $8,000, $9,000 a month. For assisted
Wow.
livings, it can be $4,000 to $6,000 a month. So there's a financial issue. How do we preserve assets? And then there's issues about sometimes if there's behavioral issues due to maybe dementia or Alzheimer's. We also help counsel family members if they're having issues with those type of illnesses.
That's great. And I know, it's not too common to have an elder law group, but what makes you different than the other ones in Jacksonville?
Well, we have it. We're both the attorneys, the partners of the firm are board certified in elder law. I'm actually the only guy in Northeast Florida who's board certified in elder law, and so we have both the partners are board certified, and we have our paralegals have actually worked within the elder nursing care industry, we just try to deliver everything with a personal touch and very responsive to our clients and their needs.
That's great. I know they want that response, quick and prompt.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me a little bit about, your involvement with the nursing, facilities and things like that.
A lot of times families come in and it's because they just got the shock of somebody at a nursing home telling them their mom or dad is unable to go back home, needs 24/7 care, and oh yeah, it's going to cost you $8,000-9,000 a month to get that care, and they think, oh my goodness, how do we pay for that? My mom only has $40,000 left. And what we do is we assist them with preserving those assets and also in allowing them to get their care that they need moving forward.
Okay, and I know you do estate planning as well.
Yes, ma'am. Estate planning just dovetails into the elder care planning, and so estate planning is a little bit more preemptive. So you have an infrastructure in place that if you do get sick or God forbid you pass away, you have this legal structure to make sure that you have the right people taking care of your business and making decisions for you in your best interest and for your family's best interest.
And when do you think, someone should start estate planning? I know everyone says early, but someone younger, should they start?
Yeah, so absolutely. I mean, I'm speaking practically. I'd say an absolute must is when you have your first child, like we just did. We have a 9-month-old, and the first thing you do is you want to do estate planning to make sure if God forbid something happens to me and my wife, we have the right person named to take care of our daughter if something happens to us, and any kind of life insurance money for her. So that's a great time, but if you miss that boat, you definitely should think about it when you're nearing that retirement age and getting it done.
And congratulations on your 9-month-old. That's awesome.
Thank you.
And then, so what other types of things go into estate planning? Is it just like the trust and businesses, or?
Yeah, exactly. It's trust, wills, durable powers of attorney, designation of healthcare surrogate, and also learning about the family situation and how to make the legal documents tailored correctly to the family situation, family dynamics. Usually most families have, a lot of families have like one person in the family that we always worry about. And so we got to think about that in our estate planning documents, and also learn about the family's financial situation just to make sure that everything is tailored so things go smoothly if one of those events happens.
Okay, and in my family would joke and say that's me, the only thing I have to worry about.
No.
No, it's a joke, I promise. I'm the one that's going to be taking care of them all.
Yeah.
Always. And then what inspired you to get into elder law?
Well, I was talking earlier, the John Grisham books, the Rainmaker, and specifically the movie with Matt Damon. He was helping an elderly woman with her will, and I said, that's pretty nice, and just his compassion and working with her. And this was me in high school watching this, and I really liked it, and I said, I want to be an attorney. And then, that at that early age, and then after I got out of law school, that progression led me to this elder law path that I absolutely love.
That is awesome. I'm glad you love what you do.
Yes, I do.
And do you all have any charity or community involvement? Do you do anything with local groups?
Yeah, so we're very involved in community hospice. We do a lot of speaking and education events with my firm. I recently started a project with Jacksonville Area Legal Aid and their medical legal partnership, where I've been going to speak with social workers about elder care issues, to train up their social workers in the hospitals. That's a very important thing. My partner is a board member at Aging True, which is a nonprofit organization helping the elderly and attending to their needs. So we're very involved in the community. We love and primary my personal passion is just educating people, because a lot of people don't know what we do and how we can help.
Exactly. Well, if somebody did want more information or to contact you, how could they reach you?
My website, which is kellenbryantlaw.com, K-E-L-L-E-N, weird first name, I know. And I put on a lot of articles, and I have YouTube videos. So, and that can get you started on some of the basic issues, so you can learn more.
Well, thank you so much, Kellen, for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. And thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next time at The Buzz.